Okay. Hiking now. Kind of. Okay guys, reporting live. This is your first time in?
Oh yeah?
Like Louise?
I'm a tourist.
Rate it once you get there. What's your expectation so far?
Expectation? It's gonna be blue.
Blue? Oh, doesn't look blue.
And my expectation is we will get parking. But yeah, that was set it off.
I swear it was bluer before.
Yeah, it was. It's blue-green.
We'll slap a filter on it. Wow, look at this view. Is it nice? Diego, what's your rating?
So far,
It's nice?
no, it's okay.
It's okay? Let's get right there, dali.
Okay.
Wow, you're my best view.
Oh, I'm so corny though.
Shout out to Ed.
Ed?
Oh, you guys don't know Ed. You don't know
I do. The
guy
one
that
with no
said,
neck.
yeah, he's the one that said you're my best view. Hello, help me.
Vlogging. Vlog the suffering.
How's your first 5 minutes of the hike?
It's really easy.
It's thugging it out. This is like the peak athletic form that I've seen from you.
This is growth, guys. This is it.
You're actually putting in effort. Like, I love to see it.
This is called peer pressure.
Pure pressure.
It's content right there. We're done! Yay! We're done! I'm done. I'm going back.
We've been hiking for almost 50 minutes.
It kind of looks like grassy.
Actually, yeah.
Whoa, that looks like a beehive. Is that why it's called?
Wait, is that really why it's called? Wait, I'm actually dumb.
Wow.
It smells amazing.
Wow.
Let's open that dog.
Bro, you want dengue, bro? Dengue comes from the Asian mosquitoes. Asian mosquitoes got to Canada from the goods that they
brought
like the produce.
produce.
Whoa! There's shit on the ground. Horse shit. I'm pacing myself. They're going way too fast.
Huh?
Wow!
I know, right?
Wow!
You're beside Charlize?
Yes, but
Damn, yes, boy.
Boy, it's crazy, bro.
Loaded bench.
Hello.
I know, right?
Is it a crime to be unsure
How are you feeling so far?
in
I
time?
feel amazing.
Is it getting to you yet?
It was in the beginning, and then it's
Yeah,
better and
it was
better.
so bad in the beginning. It's still bad now.
You're pure, you're kind, mature, divine. You might be too good for me. Unattainable.
Wow, we're almost there. Guys, say cheese. Worth it?
Hmm?
Worth it?
No, ask you. Is it worth it?
Worth it? It's okay.
It's good, it's good.
It's okay.
So far. This looks like this side's a mountain. It's very easy.
Good morning.
Morning pa rin.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, I'm on a paddleboard here.
This looks like a scene from The Odyssey.
This looks like a screensaver.
See where they are?
I don't want to go there.
That's a snake.
Sometimes you just gotta stop
You just gotta stop.
and look back.
There's a continuation to that.
I'm tired. Wow. You're still the best view. If you can see it from here. Why are we still going?
We can see it from here over still. I like that.
What does that sound? What sub did you guys get? Turkey? Both of you turkey? Oh, mine is a pizza sub. It tastes like, you know, maling? It's like spam. Yeah. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Cheese. I'm taking my sweet time. Whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand.
Perfect.
Is it wide enough?
Yeah.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like wildfire, like a wildfire. You like that? You look so cool. It's unreal. Would you hike here again?
Oh yeah, sure.
We can stop here. Oh, that looks like the hole. You know when they take like...
When they scoop it.
Yeah.
Let's
That's
go.
crazy.
From your color of the jacket.
It's so steep.
Fuck you. I don't see.
Oh my god.
There's a whole pathway going down.
They're seeing shit.
The capybara one.
I haven't even seen your shirt actually. Pit stop. Getting gas.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, I'm really scared. I'm really scared of falling. I have a big fear of sliding, falling, everything going down. What are you doing?
No, he just photoballed my photo. Mountains.
Hey.
We're almost there. I'm so dead. I have a mosquito bite on my scalp. Isn't that crazy?
Chill. Ta-da! Are we going there? Over there?
There?
Is that where we're going?
Wait. Liza, can you go in the middle? Photo. Hold on.
Well, if you look
Okay.
at it, it doesn't look that deep.
Okay, apparently we're gonna say Lake Louise, Lake Agnes, all the lakes. I better see all the lakes. I'm dying. I don't think I can go to work tomorrow.
Guess you completed it. Yeah, see this.
Where the frick is the lake?
Straight up. Straight up and down. Straight up and down.
Hello. Is this your first time hearing music?
Hello.
Look at that view.
I think so.
Liza, come here.
Ayoko nga.
Okay, now. Round of applause for Eliza. That's
Next week ulit.
Smile.
Wait, put your arm over him.
And now kiss. Oh, that's so cute.
Is this recording, Eliza?
Clouds are so nice. Wow.
Something like this, but without Jago.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we.
A little lower.
Ganito.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I want to do as well. For sure, want to take us something like this.
Oh my gosh, be careful.
I got myself, guys.
No! Diego! Oh my god, I can't watch.
The whole time?
Yeah.
It wasn't?
No, like when we were posing.
I noticed it now. Yeah, it's really.
Yeah, you fucking tell me.
Ang sakit ng lahat. Lahat na masakit.
Patay.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow, that was 3. 4?
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising on the moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my nerves, head in the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl.
We're back at, what is this one called? Mirror? Lake?
There's a next time.
Siguro mga give me 3 weeks. Yung tuhod ko kasi kailangan ko muna siyang sanayin. I feel like it's so much bluer now. How would you rate the pain level?
Pain?
Yeah.
Like 10 being the worst.
Yeah.
This pain. 3.
My knees are killing
Tomorrow's gonna be tomorrow's gonna be bad.
me. My knees are like giving out.
My feet.
Your feet?
My feet.
No. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertip.
We're done. How do you
Mission
feel?
success.
How do you feel?
Feel
Hardest
like
part,
tomorrow's gonna be hard.
I don't think I'm gonna walk tomorrow.
walking.
Pretty not warm. Like it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. I hope it doesn't die.
26,000 steps.
Wow. Bye. Thanks for watching. What's that song?
I don't know what that song is.